G4H2 and I got it. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna watch Hyo Shin today, cause you know he's amazing. One of the first reactions we ever did was Hyo Shin.
Was it?
Yeah, remember Lilly had like the crazy reaction to it because she was jealous that Hungbin like Hyo Shin.
I was like, ah!
I know recently he left Jellyfish Entertainment and he's in a new entertainment company called Glove Entertainment. I really don't know a lot about it, and I would kind of like to know more because I don't know why he left Jellyfish. There are some people saying that he like helped to found Glove Entertainment and that's why he moved there. Like he owns part of it, maybe. Yeah. That's a possibility. So since he's like the king of ballads in Korea, I'm expecting a lot.
Yep. Our expectations are here.
Yeah. Here. So this is Hyo Shin. It's called Breath. And okay, DJ Jelly, press play. Here we go.
We're going.
God.
So disrespectful.
Oh look, he's got blonde hair. Wait, did he bleach his hair?
Oh my god.
Dang.
Whenever I hear ballads, I feel like I really need to know Korean.
Right? Oh my god.
So effortless to him.
So perfect.
It's like perfect lighting.
지친 마음을 덮으며 눈을 감는다 괜찮아 남들과는 조금은 다른 모양 속에 나 홀로 잠들어 다시 오는 아침에 눈을 뜨면
I wonder if it's safe there though.
It looks like kind of dangerous.
Look at it.
오늘 같은 밤 이대로 머물러도 될 꿈이라면 바랄 수 없는 걸 바라도 된다면 두렵지 않다면 너처럼
I know he's barefoot. I like that. The guy playing the piano doesn't have shoes on.
Oh, wow, look at that piano. I like his color, but I like black better on him. Yeah, for some reason he looks kind of like rebel.
Yeah, the blonde.
It doesn't fit the music or feeling.
This looks good.
Oh yeah, he's so cool.
날아가는 새처럼 뒤돌아보지 않을래 이 길로 어딘가
It makes me want to turn it up.
I know.
Just surround
super
myself
loud.
with this music.
Yeah, it has an effect. Like turning it quiet.
Wow.
He plays
Piano
the piano
player
with
is
a lot of emotion.
Yeah, it's so emotional. I love it.
다시 자라난 오늘 그 하루를 살아
Oh, it's so pretty. It makes you feel like you need to cry for no reason.
Yeah.
Or just fly. Or just fly. That's good too.
Like it's just such deep emotion. It's not like this light little thing.
No, it isn't.
두렵지 않다면 너처럼 너를 같은 난 모른 줄 알았던 오래된
playing the piano had really buff arms.
I know.
Attractive. And like his sleeves
and
were
barefoot.
cut. Yeah, it was awesome.
Okay, I can't, like, it's hard for me to come up with stuff to say after I watch something that amazing. Like,
I feel like he is the definition of music has no language.
yeah.
I feel like if I had to describe to people like why they listen to Korean, I'm like, because this gives you emotion you can't explain. Like, I don't know what he's saying, but like, has
Like-
such deep emotion.
Yeah, it almost gives you like this feeling of like this mysterious feeling, like what is he saying? I can feel it, but I can't understand it.
But that's what's nice about it, because you can almost like hone in onto the feelings
Yeah.
rather than what it.
It's
like,
but
the
like it
lyrics
gives
and
you
what
of like
it's
almost
supposed
like
to
an
mean through the lyrics.
urgency that you want to know what he's saying. Also,
Get
I
through, guess.
really loved the piano.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
That was really.
Park Hyo Shin and the piano, just like, they're meant for each other.
They met when they were little.
Yes.
I liked how it was like at that time where there's only like a few lights coming on.
Yes.
And it's dim.
And I also love that how simple it was. Like, you don't need a storyline for something like this.
Mm-mm.
Like, this was perfect the way it is.
Like
That's
it
why.
tells a story by itself.
Yeah.
So what's that?
I hope everything goes well for Park Hyo Shin and his new company. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.